Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to create a portfolio benefits realization plan using MS Project Agile. Portfolio benefits realization plan is used as part of performance management knowledge area. In performance management knowledge area we have three processes: develop portfolio performance management plan, manage supply and demand, and manage portfolio value. Now under manage portfolio value, the main thing is about value delivery. Value is delivered when you have benefits realization. So the benefits realization plan will be a component of the portfolio performance management plan, which in turn is a component of the portfolio management plan. Now this plan I have taken it from Standard for Portfolio Management 3rd edition. So here, as you can see, we have this portfolio benefits realization plan with a number of projects in program. But the software tool is not used. I am going to use the software tool to draw this portfolio benefits realization plan. Now going to the software tool, as you can see, we have a number of portfolio components which are taken from the Standard for Portfolio Management 3rd edition, and the duration start and finish has been given. Every time you add a duration, the bar will be coming to the right. On the right side visualization, the time scale, as you can see, one layer is with respect to years, the second layer is with respect to the quarters. So you can change the time scale by right clicking here and choosing time scale. We have two tiers here. One is years in the middle tier. In the bottom tier we have quarters. Now middle tier, as you can see, we have a size. If you want to expand the size, you can increase. That is the spacing with respect to the year and quarter. If you want to decrease or you want to reduce the spacing, then you can decrease the size and say OK. Next is with respect to portfolios. So here this is a custom field. So I'll go to custom field, and there, as you can see, the portfolios is a text custom field I have provided. So we have portfolio 1, portfolio 2, and portfolio 3. Under portfolio 1 we have a number of portfolio components: project 1, project 2, program 1, project 3, and organizational strategy and objective. Next is with respect to how the color coding is happening, but before that, one important tip. The tip is with respect to the predecessors. So as you can see, for program 1 the dependency is with respect to project 2 and project 1 together, and that is how the arrow mark is coming. So do not put a dependency like project 2 and project 1 are dependent, then program 1 is dependent on project 2. Program 1 is dependent on both, and that is why we have only this field is populated. For project 2 there is nothing. For project 2, 3 also there is nothing. For organizational strategy and objective, it is dependent on project 3 as well as program 1. That is why we have 4FF and 3FF. In other words, this is a key point. The organizational strategy and objective I can be achieved only after the completion of project 1 and project 3. Now project 1 is dependent on project 1, program 1 is dependent on project 1 and project 2. That means organizational strategy and objective I can be achieved with the completion of project 1, project 2, program 1 and project 3. Similarly, so if I go for this organizational strategy and objective, this is dependent on 12 and 11. So 12 and 11 are these two: operational work and project work. Now operational work is dependent on 10 and 9. So 10 and 9, that is project 6 and project 7. So these two have to be completed. Operational work has to be completed, project 8 has to be completed, then only you will get organizational strategy and objective 2 or II to be achieved. So how it is achieved? These benefits are delivered. When the benefits are delivered and the values or the benefits converts to value, then only the operational strategy and objective will be realized. Next is with respect to the segregation with respect to portfolio components, project program. For that I have three custom fields. Again I'll go to the custom fields here and I'll choose the Boolean flag. So I have three custom fields: is program, is operations, and is strategic objective. And these custom fields I am going to add here. So here I am going to add three. I'll say is program, then I am going to say is operation, then I am going to say is strategic objective. So three got added. As you can see, for project none of them are enabled. For program, the program part is enabled. This is a program. Operation and strategic objective are disabled. For strategic objective, only this part is enabled, that these two flags are disabled. For operational work, operational part, this flag is enabled, these two are disabled. And that is how you segregate with respect to the portfolio components.